In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove green screen in CapCut. Let's get started. First, launch your CapCut. Open a new project or open the existing project. After you launch it, now what you have to do is at the bottom, you're going to find different option. Head over to the option overlay. Once you find it, click on that option. Click on add overlay. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the green screen video. For this guide, I'm going to use this one. Now you can resize and reposition the overlay as needed. Now select the green screen video. Then at the bottom you're gonna find different option. Head over to the option remove background. Click on chroma key. Now use the color picker circle to select the solid green or any color background in your video. Tap the check mark to confirm. Also you can use these options given over here, intensity, shadow. Now you can play your project and check. You will see that the green background is gone and your subject is now placed over the background clip. From here, continue editing as you like, add text, effects or music. Once you are done, you can export it and save it. And that's it. That's how you use the green screen tool in CapCut. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.